So we are in Hotel Aatreyee in Duliajan. This is a beautiful place, one of the most beautiful hotel in Duliajan. They have a big place for parking also. So even if you bring 9-10 cars also, you have enough space to park your car. So this is the view of the beautiful hotel. Now I will take you inside. Let's go to the reception area first. Look at this, the greenery, it looks so beautiful. And here we are, this is the reception. Let's enter here. This is the reception area. And this is the restaurant. This is the common washroom. This is for well. Wow, the place is so big. This is the washroom. And this is also another washroom. This is for ladies. And now let's visit the banquet hall. So this is the banquet hall where you can organize parties, wedding party, birthday parties, conferences, meetings, everything you can organize. This is very spacious. Now I'll show you the rooms around. So this is a standard deluxe room. Wow, so beautiful, so clean. Let's start from here. So this is the mini fridge where you can keep your cold drinks, and these are the beds, and they have TV. This is the wardrobe where you can keep your things. AC. I'll show you the washroom. So this is the washroom. This is wow, so big. It's very big. Now let's check the next room. This is executive deluxe room. Wow, it looks more beautiful than the previous one. So this is the washroom. Can go inside and show the washroom. This is also quite big with a shower. And this is the bed. They have a mini fridge here also with the wardrobe. And here the best thing about this room is they have a beautiful balcony here. This is the balcony. This is the best room. This is what I like about this room. So here you can have the view of a small area of this Aatreyee hotel with a parking area. We have another executive deluxe room with twin bed. Here, the first room which I showed you earlier, that is a king size bed, but here they have twin bed. Everything is same. Even in this room they have a balcony where you can have a view, where you can sit in the evening. Wow, the fresh air. The air is so good for you. So almost everything is same. They have the mini fridge, dressing area, and then the wardrobe. But the only difference is they have twin bed here. So there the price is same for twin bed. Next, this is the deluxe room where they have king size bed. This washroom is also quite big. They have TV, and then they have the wardrobe. So this room is a little bit smaller than the other room. This is the mirror where you can have a look at yourself and enjoy. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, the hotel is very clean, because whenever we visit any hotels or any places, we want it to be very clean, right? So every floor there is a lobby where you can just sit Here, this is another building. This is under construction. So they will be, I think it will be completed by the end of this year or maybe next year.
We stayed here for 4 nights and we really had a great time, and even the food is very tasty, but I forgot to take the pictures of the food. But I'll make sure that if I happen to visit again Duliajan, then I'll take the pictures of the food as well and show you. You know, every time I overeat and I have to come down and walk in the parking area. So if you happen to visit Duliajan, then I would strongly recommend you to visit Hotel Aatreyee. It is located at Topavan Nakar, Duliajan. I'll be sharing the website in the description as well, so you can check it out. Thank you for watching.